Hello and welcome to Gav Tries to Fix. I've got some big repairs on the go. I've got an Amstrad CPC 464 Plus on my workbench. I've got a massive mixing desk. I've got a big power supply. I've got all sorts of fun things. But I couldn't see properly because I broke my glasses. So I'm trying to do this repair half blind because I haven't got my glasses on. The bridge piece came off. I mean, I can still wear them, but decided to fix it. Had a look on Amazon, and you could buy like 6 bridge pieces for a fiver, or a whole tub like this with all the different sizes. So obviously, this is what I was going to do. It comes with a little screwdriver, but the little screwdriver is not too much cop, and it's not magnetized. So with these tiny screws, you want it magnetized. Now the new bridge piece looked like a perfect fit. One of the ones with the little brass bits, whatever they are. But it wouldn't fit in the hole, so I thought, okay, I will file it down. I will make it the same size. I'm about to make a shocking discovery as I try the original bridge piece in the opposite side, and it doesn't fit either. With my, you know, my dumb brain, it takes me a while, and I realised there's still a bit of the plastic of the old bit in there, of the old bridge piece, so repaired that. I've managed to successfully not lose the screws, which is impressive. It'd be great if the kit came with the screws, but this bit's really tricky. Now, what am I doing here that's ridiculous? Well, probably many things, but pointing a screwdriver at the lenses of my glasses, even though they're scratch resistant, is not my brightest move. So at this point I reach for a small piece of electrical tape and I put it there sticky side up because I don't really want to get the residue all over my specs. And then I try to hold the tiny weeny screw in place and get it in. Now, glasses repair is a bit annoying. I don't know a lot about it. There's my massive head in shot. But yeah, here we go. This is the second one. I decided to change them both so that it was the same on both sides because it would annoy me. Not that anyone would ever want to look at me for more than 2 seconds, but if they did, they might notice. But I would notice. So yeah, got some much more interesting repairs queued up. I've got an Atari 2600. I went through my stats for last year, and my repair rate was about 56% successful, which is better than I thought. But I lost thousands of pounds buying broken stuff on eBay, and you sell it, you get a few quid. But all right, there we go, fixed.